Yeah, hello, yeah. So welcome you all to my channel. I'm Crypto Lord. You can call me Crypto Arbitrage Lord. Yeah, so today I'm here to introduce the Crypto Arbitrage AI bot that is making trading very easy for us all. Yeah, so this arbitrage bot is for people who don't have time to trade. Yeah, so this bot will make sure to trade for you every day, and what you'll be expecting is what? Just expect your profit. Yeah, so I want to take you through how the arbitrage AI bot works. Yeah, and if you need the arbitrage AI bot too, I have my link in the description, the bio, and in the comment section as well. Just shout me, and the bot is going out for $60 with a setup and me calling you on video call to teach you how to use it personal. Yeah, so when you open the AI bot, this how it is. So if you're using $100 accounts there, so per every trade you'll be getting $2 per every trade. Yeah, so when you're using $100 account, you'll be getting $2 per every trade. So if you're using $500 account, you'll be getting $10 per every trade. So that's why twice if you trade twice, it's $20 profit. You see, yeah. So let's go more. So this one is my demonstration account. Yeah, so I want to demonstrate a lot to you. Yeah, so when you want to use the bots, you see that we have regular experience and we have bonus and we have arbitrage instead of them. Yeah, so if you want to trade on a bot, yeah, you have to put money in your arbitrage USDT wallet. Yeah, so when you do your deposit, the money will be in the regular USDT. Yeah, but that money you can't trade with that unless you transfer it from the regular to the arbitrage USDT. Yeah, so how can you do that? You just have to come to transfer here. Instead of you have transfer here, you go to transfer. You can transfer money from regular account to arbitrage account, and at the same time transfer from arbitrage account to regular account. You see that thing? Yeah, so that's how it is. Yeah, that's how it is. Yeah, so let me go back and let's see. Yeah, so if I come to wallets here and I want to deposit, I just click on deposit here, and I will choose here as BSC. Yeah, BSC. Then I'll copy my address and I will do my thing. You see that thing? So when I deposit, it will be in the regular USDT. Then I'll transfer it to the arbitrage USDT. Then I'll come to my arbitrage here. Then I'll click on start arbitrage, and it will start trading for me. It will take me to the preheating, the scanning, and the arbitrage process, and within some time it will be what it will be done for me. Yeah, but when you buy the bot and you start to trade, I would advise you to start from $30 upwards, only if you want to make cool cash. So if you're trading with $30, let's say $30, $30, $30, you'll be getting 0.6 per trade. Someone will say that, oh, this one is just too small. 0.6 is your profit. You see, the bot trades, and no matter how much the bot will make sure that it will give you your 0.6. You see that thing? Yeah. So the bot will take a share and give you 0.6 per every trade. So if you want to increase it, then you can re-add your profits from the regular account to the arbitrage account in order to build your capital and make more profit. You see that then? Yeah. So that's how the crypto arbitrage AI bot works. Yeah. So this one, if you have experience or you know much about arbitrage. Then we also have arbitrage signal bulls. That one, it will give you signal, and you will trade manually. Yeah, but in this case, this one it will trade for you. You just have to what, prompt it, and it will do all the works for you whilst you relax and watch it. Is that thing? It will trade for you whilst you relax and what, you watch it, and to do all the trades for you. And after the trade, you can withdraw your money anytime you want. After the trade, you can withdraw your money anytime you want, and that is how it is. Yeah. So I will leave my link in the description, comment section, and in the bio as well. You can chat me, and we'll go through together. You buy it, and I'll video call you, set up for you, and show you how to use it. Just simple as that. Yeah. So if you want to make more money from crypto arbitrage, and you don't want to trade yourself, yeah, this is a good way for you. Yeah, because this one, you will not stress yourself. You just have to click on start arbitrage here, and it will start trading for you whilst you withdraw your profit. Simple as that. Yeah. So thank you for watching me. I'm Crypto Lord, and please don't forget to subscribe and share my videos. Yeah, and share my videos, and let's go high. I'm Crypto